All right, the red group, your columns are the O column with an E at the end, like globe. OA, so consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. So two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking, but it's OA, like in boat. And then sometimes the OW makes the O sound as well. This is a consonant, vowel, vowel. That's not right because W is not a vowel, so ignore that. OW sometimes makes the O sound. And then sometimes vowel and a consonant makes the O sound in bold. It's almost like this is an oddball though, because it should say bald, because it's ah. There's not an E at the end, and there's not two vowels go walking. But we are not considering it an oddball this time. So let's look at the words both. Both is going to go under bold. Cone. It has the E at the end. It's going to go under globe. No is going to go under the OW. Throw, the OW. Cold. Cold is going to go under the vowel consonant. Blown, OW. Told, vowel consonant. Pole, vowel consonant. Those with the E. Do you guys get it? Let's try to find the oddball. I don't see, I see it. Do you guys see it? Toe. Is that the only one? I think so. There you go. All right, teal group. You are working on the R-influenced vowel patterns, or. We're adding a W plus or and an oddball. So, or like form, or like shore, or like board. Two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Or W plus or. So let me just point out the oddballs. The oddballs is going to be pour. I don't see an O, so pour. And floor, Floor. It should say pour and fleur. Let's just do another one. For is just going to go under here. Work, just like under word. All right, I think the rest are self-explanatory. Are there any homophones? Horse. This horse is like your voice is hoarse. This is the animal. Ooh, this, you're going to soar high. This is a sore muscle. Those are homophones. Oh, and 4 and 4. This is the number, and this is just 4. Like, what are you getting, Mrs. Berger, for her birthday? Just kidding, just kidding. Are there any other ones? I think that's it. Okay, good luck. All right, yellow group. This week is sort 22 with the long O patterns in accented syllables. So we're looking for them in the first syllable, the second syllable, or oddball. And the different ways we can make O is two vowels go walking, as in OA, the first one does the talking, or silent E as a ninja with an E at the end. And the other way is by having an O consonant, like low, not that one, like owner, or that's the OW. O consonant would be poster. Okay, so explode would go here. Lonely would go here. Bureau would be oddball. It doesn't have a OW, OA, or O blank E. Lonesome. Lonesome would be first syllable. Alone, second syllable. Soapy, first syllable. Awoke, second syllable. Hostess, first. Compose, second. Lower, first. Remote, second. Closely, second. Or wait, closely, first. Approach, second. Postage, first. Suppose, second. owner first, decode second, loafer first, Europe, oddball. Poster first, erode second. Green group, you are working on the qu sound and the k sound, which is spelled Q-U. So you're looking at which syllable it is found in as well. So for syllable number 1, question, it's the Q-U, it's in the first syllable. Equal, it's in the second syllable. And antique, it has the k sound, so it's in the last column. Let's go through the words. Quality, that would go in the first. Frequent, second. Racket, second. Squirrel, first. Equipment, equip, second. Conquer, K. Inquire, second. Sequence, second. Technique, K sound. Racket, did we already do that? K sound. Mosquito, K sound again. Quadrant, first syllable. Quizzes, first syllable. Sequel, second. Critique, K. Squirming, first. Banquet, second. Liquid, second. Request, second. Equator, second. Quotient, or quotation, first. Queasy, first. And qualify, first. Hopefully that makes sense. And hopefully I didn't make a mistake. All right, blue group, you are looking at words that have end in base DE, like in explode. If we're changing it to explosion, you take away the DE and add SION. So take off the DE and add SION. If it ends in base IT, admit. If we're going to change it to admission, you take off the IT and add ISSION. So emit, it would go under this one, and emission. Where is emission? Right there. Persuade, persuasion. Decide. Where's decide? Where's decide? Why can't I find it? Must not be in there. Oh, here, decide, decision. Omit, omission. Invade, invasion. Oh, that's intrusion. Invasion. Divide, division. Intrude, intrusion. Permit, permission. Submit, submission. Conclude, conclusion. Collide, collision. Transmit, transmission. Erode, erosion. And did I miss any? No. There you go.